Hi everybody, Miss Andrea here. I just wanted to do a quick video of our art lesson about sea stars that we did today in case you missed it or in case you want to review. So we did talk about texture. What that means is how something feels when you touch it. Does it feel bumpy? Does it feel soft? Does it feel rough? And so we know that sea stars feel bumpy or rough. And so we're going to talk about how to do that. But first we learned how to draw a star. And you can do a really nice star by starting with the letter A, okay, the capital letter A. So I'm going to start with how I would do a capital letter A. And I'm making this pretty big. Just like that is how we start the letter A. Looks like a really tall, skinny mountain. Then, when we're going to cross our letter A, we're going to do it up just a little bit higher so that it looks like an A with really long legs. So if you want to do that, go ahead and do it. Then I'm going to take that bar that goes across the A and I'm going to bring it out like the A has arms, like it's reaching out to hug you. It's going to come and give you a big hug. Okay? Now, if those are the arms, that means out here is the hands. So that hand, I'm going to draw a line that goes from that hand down to this foot. You can kind of see where my marker, my pencil, or whatever is going to go. I'm going to draw that line right down there, just as if we were imagining that he's bending over and reaching and stretching and doing exercises. Then the other hand of the starfish is going to go diagonally across like that, and then you end up with a star. If you're using pencil, if you want to come in and erase some of those lines in the inside, you can, but you don't have to, because lots of sea stars have patterns and designs and cool things on their backs anyway. Once you've done that, you can go in and you can start making that bumpy looking texture. Some ways we talked about doing it are taking a marker and making dots. You can take the point of the marker and just push it down again and again and again. And take your time. I know that it's tempting to go fast because we think, oh, I don't want to do this anymore. But if you take your time and make it look really, really nice, then at the end you can think, oh, I feel good about that. I did that. Right? You can also do lots of little bumps like this. And I also showed you guys that if you wanted to use a Q-tip and paint, you can do that. Okay. A Q-tip like this. You can dip it in paint, and then you can make dots that way. So those are just some ideas for you. And the last thing that we talked about is that you can actually glue things down for actual real texture. So you can see here, I actually glued down some cereal, some Cheerios. I put some glue on there, just like this. And then I put these Cheerios on there and I let it sit overnight, and now it's dry and it has actual bumpy texture. So you can do this for your cool sea star paper that you've written, and I hope you have fun with it.